Hi, I'm going to tell you about my travel experience, but first, my personal presentation. My name is Lobsan David Ramos Mejia. I am 30 years old. I was born in Pereira, Risaralda. I live with my parents, one brother, one sister. I am the oldest. I am single. I am a student. Currently, I course the seventh semester of food engineering. I work as independent worker. I have a business, it's a coffee shop. In my free time, I like to go to the gym or to ride mountain bike. Maybe I play guitar. I like to listen to music. Okay, okay, and I'm going to tell you my trip travel to Capurganá. 1 year ago, I traveled with my family at Capurganá, localized on municipality of Arcandi in the Chocó. We stayed for 5 days in a hostel near the beach. It is very nice. The only bad things was that there was no air conditioning. In Capurganá, during the day it's warm, but in the night the temperature can low considerably. Broadly, we observed the cloud sky. During our stay never rained, sometimes breezy at sunrise. Almost every day we were visiting new place. The place we liked the most was the Mill Beach. It's located at the limit with Panama. The beach is the white sand and crystal clear water. You can see many corals in shallow waters near the beach. It is a perfect place to practice snorkeling. In some places of the beach, the sea and sand form areas very muddy. In general, the trip was cheap because it was low season. It's a good idea to go in a low season. Recommendations: to visit this place it is necessary to wear sport clothes. It is advisable that you do reservation hotel first before you go. It is better that you arrive before at 10 o'clock to board the boat. It is recommended that you take the sun only in the morning. It is essential that you wear sunblock. For snorkeling, it is important that you know to swim. It's very important. What you should do. The people should buy unequivocally the round-trip speedboats. The people had better carry cash to buy because there is not ATMs. The people ought to make the sun of the morning for turning. The people ought to not take bath on sea by night, it is dangerous. The people shouldn't stand up while in its motion. The people had better leave the boats while it is in motion. Okay, that is all. Bye.